mastering the quadratic formula. And that's it. You've solved the quadratic using the formula. First, let's recall the standard form of a quadratic equation. X superscript 2 plus bx plus c equals 0. Now here's the formula that works for any such equation. X equals b plus or minus square root b superscript 2 4ac slash 2a. Let's understand what each term means. A is the coefficient of x superscript 2. B is the coefficient of x. C is the constant term. The part under the square root, b superscript 2, 4ac, is the discriminant. This formula gives us two roots, one with a plus sign, one with a minus. So, always solve it twice using plus or minus. Let's try an example. 2x superscript 2, 3x, 2 is equal to 0. Here, a equals 2, b equals minus 3, and c equals minus 2. Now plug into the formula x equals minus 3 plus or minus square root minus 3 superscript 2 4 times 2 times minus 2 / 2 by 2 equals 3 plus or minus square root 9 plus 16 / 4 equals 3 plus or minus square root 25 / 4 equals 3 plus or minus 5 / 4. So, the two roots are x equals 3 plus 5 / 4 equals 8 fourths equals 2. X equals 3 to 5 / 4 equals minus 2 fourths equals minus 0.5. Remember, use this method when factorization is tricky or not possible. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your classmates.